Welcome to our latest tutorial on how to reply to a message on Instagram. If you're new to using the popular social media platform or just need a refresher on the process, you've come to the right place. First things first, open up your Instagram app on your Android device. Once you're in the app, look to the top right corner and tap on the messenger icon. This will take you to your direct messages. Next, find the conversation that includes the message you want to reply to. Once you've located the message, simply swipe right on the text. This will bring up a text box at the bottom of the screen where you can type out your response. Now, it's time to compose your reply. Write out your message in the text box below the original message. Make sure to take your time and craft a thoughtful response before moving on to the next step. Once you're happy with your message, tap on the send arrow icon located to the right of the text box. This will send your reply to the recipient, allowing them to see and respond to your message. And there you have it. Replying to messages on Instagram is a simple and straightforward process that anyone can master with just a few easy steps. Make sure to keep these instructions in mind the next time you need to respond to a message on the platform. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips and tricks on using Instagram and other social media platforms. Happy messaging!